My name is Elisabeth. I am from Austria and I'm 45 years old. Since a couple of years it started that I felt more and more exhausted, tired, could not get up easily in the morning. Everything was heavy to do, and so I decided to do a full cleaning process in Ayushakti in India, and I moved here for 3 weeks. And now, after nearly 3 weeks, I feel much better. I get up very easy in the morning. I like things to do. I want to start. I'm motivated to do things. I feel very much in the moment. I feel focused. I feel clear. I feel very quiet also. My body feels lighter at all. It's a good body feeling altogether. And I think the main thing was that I had a lot of mucous in my body, and I had to do this cleaning process, which we call Vaman, what they call in Ayurveda, and then you have to vomit, you have to get prepared, and then you have to drink milk and tea, and you have to vomit, and it came so much mucus. And in the time when I did this, after 1 hour, I even felt with my breath was much easier. I felt when I watched out of the window, the vision was more clear and my head was much lighter, which was very great. And still I get now Nasya, which is also a cleaning for mucus of the brain. So every day I get some ghee, medicated ghee in my noses, which is not very comfortable. Also here in the throat, it hurts sometimes and I get sometimes a headache. But it's loosening the mucus again and again. It comes a lot of stuff, and every day it feels more clearer and more light in my brain. And so I'm looking forward to work again, being focused and can make good decisions and don't get angry with my child anymore. I also had these mood swings. Now it was a hormonal imbalance also, was the diagnosis in the parts. This we will see if this will change. No? It was always once a month before I got my menstruation. I felt very upset and sad actually also. Well, I hope this is gone now. We will see. And during this cleaning process with Vaman and virechan also, there are also very strong emotions. I was so much in a worry that my daughter will be fine, and I had to cry. And also I had big, strong feelings regarding, which was very interesting, regarding trust. I think like a basic kind of trust in life, in being. So I had to cry a little bit, but then it was fine, and then the next day I was good. All the people here are very much trying to help you, and they really want to support you, that you have best results for your treatments and for your cleaning process and for your staying here, to make you feel comfortable.